Hello everyone, let's prevent a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is actually 4 to power x plus 2. This is equal to 60. So what is the value of x? Now solution, we have that 4 to power x plus 2, this is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, okay, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. Now 4 to power x plus 2, this is in the form of 8 to power n plus m, which we can express as 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. Now this is the same thing as 4 to power x multiplied by 4 to power 2, this is equal to 60. Now 4 squared, this is the same thing as 16, okay? So we divide both sides by 16, okay? So that now, here we have 4 to power x, this is equal to 60 divided by 16, okay? So let's simplify what we have here. Now, if you divide here by 4, this by 4 is 15, by 4 this is 4. So that means that 4 to power x, this is equal to 15 divided by 4. Now, so for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm on both sides as follows. So we'll have log 4 to power x, this is equal to log 15 divided by 4, okay? So let's proceed from here. We have log 4 to power x, this is equal to log 15 divided by 4. Now log 4 to power x, this is in the form of log 8 to power n, which we can express as n log a. Now applying this power rule property of logarithm, log 4 to power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 15 divided by 4. So from here, we divide both sides by log 4, okay? We divide by log 4, okay? Now from what we have here, let's simplify. So we simplify both sides so that x simplify here. Log 4 and log 4 simplifies. So we will have x is equal to log, this is 15 divided by 4, divided by log 4, okay? Now as you can see, log 15 divided by 4, this is in the form of log a divided by b, which we can express as log a subtract log b. Now let's apply this property so that x is equal to log 15 divided by log 4 subtract log 4 divided by log 4. Now from what we have here, we can express 15. 15 can be expressed as basically 3 multiplied by 5, and also we can express 4 as basically 2 to power 2. So now we'll have x is equal to log 3 multiplied by 5 divided by log 2 to power 2, subtract, now we'll have log 2 to power 2 divided by log 2 to power 2, okay? So let's proceed. After that, log 3 times 5, this is actually in the form of log a multiplied by b, which you can express as log a plus log b. Now let's apply this particular property so that x is equal to log, this is 3 divided by log 2 to power 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2 to power 2 subtract. Now this is subtract log 2 to power 2 divided by log 2 to power 2. Now we can see here x is equal to log 3 divided by log 2 to power 2. Applying the power rule property, this becomes 2 log 2 plus this is log 5 divided by 2 log 2 subtract 2 log 2 divided by 2 log 2. So let's simplify here quickly. So this is x is equal to, now this is the same thing as log 3 divided by 2 log 2 plus log 5 divided by, this is 2 log 2 subtract, this is 1, subtract 1, okay? So log 3 divided by 2 log 2, this is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now let's apply this property so that x is basically equal to half log 3 to base 2, okay, plus half log 5 to base 2 subtract 1. Now this is the value of x. This is the value of x. Now let's try to verify that this value of x actually satisfies the equation by following these steps. Now let's verify that the value of x, which is a half log 3 to base 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2 subtract 1 actually satisfies the equation. Now if you recall, we end at 4 to power x plus 2. This should give us a value of 60. So let's substitute the value of x. You will have 4 to power half log 3 to base 2, okay, plus half log 5 to base 2, subtract 1 plus 2. This should give us a value of 60, okay? So this is the same thing as 4 to power half log 3 to base 2 plus half log 5 to base 2. Okay, this is negative 1 plus 2. This is plus 1. This should give us a value of 60. Now, we can be able to express 4 as 2 to power 2. So let's substitute this. So this is the same thing as 2 to power 2 multiplied by, now we have, this is half log 3 to base 2, okay? This is now plus, this is the same thing as 2 multiplied by a half log 5 to base 2, okay? Plus, now this is plus 1. Now this should give us a value of 60, okay? Now from what we have here, we simplify here, we will have 2 to power log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2, okay? Now this is the century plus this is 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. This should give us a value of 60. Now, as you can see, 2 to power log 3 to base 2 plus log 5 to base 2 plus 2. This is in the form of 8 to power n plus m. So let's convert this to 8 to power n multiplied by 8 to power m. Let's apply this. So you'll have 2 to power log 3 to base 2 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 to base 2, okay, multiplied by 2 to power 2. This should give us a value of 60. Let's check if this is true. Now 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is in the form of m to power log a to base m, which is essentially equal to a. Now that means that 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is essentially equal to 3. And 2 to power log 5 to base 2, this is equal to 5, okay? So let's substitute these values. So we'll have 3 multiplied by 2 to power log 5 to base 2, which is 5, multiplied by 2 squared. 2 squared is 4. This should give us a value of 60. So 3 times 5, this is 15. 15 times 4, this is equal to 60. And therefore, this affirms that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And therefore, the value of x, which is a half log 3 to base 2 plus a half log, that is a half log 5 to base 2 subtract 1, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and more importantly, subscribe.